Hi guys, I'm Sydney. Welcome to my bedroom, or welcome back to my bedroom. To all of those of you that actually watch my videos, aka my little sister. Hi Maddie, love you. I haven't made a video in a minute because I really didn't know what to do for it. I thought about doing like a Universal Yums box thing. I might still do next month, but me and Rodney already ate most of it. But I wanted to do fake bangs because I have a really big forehead and I've been breaking out on my forehead a lot. So I bought some and they looked really good, but every time I would go like that with my head, it looked like Trump's toupee and it was just not an ideal situation. So I decided I'm gonna cut my bangs. And what better way to humiliate yourself than to film it? Today I basically started by doing a hair mask and washing my hair and then putting no product in it, just so that when it dries natural, it'll, I don't know, I don't even really know how to start this video, so I guess we are just going to kind of start. Jeez. So, to show you guys, I kind of have a little setup here of stuff. I have a towel because I wanted to film this in my room, so it'll catch the hair and whatnot. So I guess what you're supposed to do is kind of create like a triangle down your head. Oh god. Okay. Other people on YouTube that have done this themselves say that you should do like till your eyebrow, if that makes sense, to the end of your eyebrows where you should be pulling hair from. This does not look like a triangle. Very. Oh my god, this is a lot of hair. I'm not gonna have any hair left. It's alright. Does not look like a triangle. I don't understand if my hair even parts this way. Gosh. If you have curly hair, you probably know that you're not supposed to usually brush it. Oh my gosh. See the little triangle? God, I cannot see. Go like that. And clip it. Okay. Put this over here so I can see again. Clip this side back. I did a poll on my Instagram, which if you don't follow my Instagram, you should. Sids98. And it's kind of 50-50 for if I should cut my bangs or not, but I'm just going to do it anyway. I'm just going to take like a lot off of right here. And you're supposed to use hair cutting scissors. I don't really have hair cutting scissors. So I'm using these awesome little manicure scissors. These are like the only scissors in my house that haven't been used to cut up strips of bacon or open frozen pizza packages. So thought, why not? Oh dear God. Yeah, they're done. I'm gonna be a lot less crazy when I get closer up, but even if this was a bad decision, it's a little late to stop now. Oh gosh. I also want to say that I am not a hairstylist, quite obviously. I'm also not a makeup artist or anything, and I really don't recommend doing this yourself, but I'm broke, cheap, and spontaneous. I literally decided I wanted bangs yesterday, so that's what we're doing today. This is a look though. I don't want to cut them too short. So I think what I'm going to do is cut them below my eyes and then start fringing them from there. Dear God. Okay. I had bangs once, but I really screwed them up because I cut them myself. And I didn't watch YouTube videos or like anything. I just decided to go for it. And now this time around, I'm like, okay, maybe you should watch at least a couple YouTube videos before you do this yourself. They were literally probably like this short, and it was not a look. Snip, snip. So now that they're this length, I'm gonna start fringing them. So basically, I think you just go like this, snip upwards to make it look a little more natural. Oh god. I don't want to cut them that much shorter. So I think what I'm gonna do is just try and style them. BRB with curling iron. You're right here in my eye. The good thing about starting with a small amount of hair is that you can always add more if you need to, but you can't really go back once you've cut hair. This is like a look. See if we need to add more hair, if we need to cry for the next 3 weeks. Either way, the struggle is I have really pretty nice eyebrows, and I want to still be able to see my eyebrows, but I don't want to cut them too short. So this is very interesting. Okay, so I'm going to shorten them up even a little bit more because they're literally in my eyeballs. I'm getting hair everywhere. Okay, now we'll try to style them again and see. I also don't have the right curling iron, I feel like, for this because I very, very rarely use heating tools. Way to go back now. Okay, check out that shit. Okay. Word. I'm just gonna. Powder brushes were great for getting hair off your face, if you're wondering. Okay, so this isn't too bad. Not too shabby. Okay, so you still can't see my eyebrows, and that's a big no-no to me. They also cover my eyeshadow, which I'm not down with, so I'm going to cut them a little bit more. I feel like I could never mess up as bad as I did the last time I did this. I literally took kitchen scissors and just went pew, and it is not very pretty. My arms are so sore. It's like snowing. Okay, we're getting closer. Cute. Okay, I'm starting to see my eyebrows. For a total amateur, I don't think it's that bad so far. Let's see. I think my ideal bang would be like here, you know? Because I want them to be able to like come down straight. So we're going to take a little more off here. Just a little bit. Okay, and we're going to curl again a little bit. And see, this is so cute. Like amazing. Like if I like lived in the 80s, this style would totally work. Okay. Okay. This is taking 6 years. Oh god. If I had bad eyebrows, like I literally would not care about being able to see my eyebrows, but I actually really enjoy my eyebrows because I want them to be visible, you know? I just really like my eyebrows, okay? Jeez. I have so much hair all over my face. Alright, I'm gonna go blow my nose. Alright, so we are almost done. I'm just gonna clean up above my eyebrows a little bit more. Oh, I'm gonna let myself do. This is probably such a cringe-worthy video for people that actually cut hair. Oh my god, I've got so much hair and shit falling into my eyeballs. Oh god. Oh, this is actually painful. So I took a break to kind of let, you know, the hair work itself out of my eyeballs. I feel like they're pretty much at the length I want. They still cover my eyebrows a little bit in certain areas, but whatever. It's cool. I like it. I'm not super fond of the way my hair looks with bangs down. The main reason that like I really wanted bangs is to be able to put my hair up in this certain way, which I'll show you. I actually don't think that they turned out that bad. So second, the 50% of the people on my Instagram that did not want me to cut my bangs. First I'm gonna go show Rodney, because he told me that I was gonna really screw him up and that I made a huge mistake by not going to a professional. I want to show him that he's totally wrong and that I can accomplish banging things. So I'm gonna go rub it in his face real quick. Okay, so he literally loves them, and that makes me really happy because it's like I told you so. So the main reason I wanted bangs is because I have to wear my hair up all the time for work, all the time. And I break out a lot on my forehead, and so I feel like my forehead's really big, so I end up wearing these really thick, like almost beanie material headbands. And I just feel like bangs look really cute with your hair up. So I like to use my curlies, and I actually might re-wet these. But I'll show you what my plan of action is for hairstyles. I really like to do buns like on the very, very top of my head and have like this stuff down. Go like this. I always feel kind of bad when I actually like wash my hair, and then I like totally destroy my curls with the bun. But why not? And that usually looks better when I have 2 hair ties and some bobby pins, but I'm lazy. I just spent like 8 million hours cutting my hair, so it's kind of been brushed out. I'm just gonna curl it quick so y'all can see what I'm actually talking about when I say that I want my hair a certain way. You'll see, just wait, just chill. So they're done. I'm feeling it a lot. So it wasn't a terrible disaster. It's gonna take some time getting used to and like learning how to style. Pretty happy with it. Okay, so if you want to learn how to cut your own bangs, you should probably watch a video that's not mine. I don't really recommend doing it yourself, but mine didn't really turn out too bad. If you liked this video or think I totally botched my hair, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already so you can see me humiliate myself in more ways. Tell your friends, hairdresser, probably not, but yeah, tell the homies to subscribe if you want to. Yeah. See you next time. Stay banging.